Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can sell your crops in Farming Simulator 25. So what you'll need to do is press escape button, go right here to the prices and find your crop type. So let's say I want to sell the barley, and here you'll see the prices for how much you can sell. Here is the distance, and as you can see, let's say I want to sell for 803 euros. So I will select this, just put a tag place and go to the map, and you will see where it's tagged right here. You will see the markets, farmers market. So here you will be able to sell your crops right here if you go with your tractor, and the money should come to your balance. So that's pretty much it. That's how you sell your crops in Farming Simulator 25. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.